Hi, Peter here from True North Marine and the Maritime Tutor. Thanks for coming back to the channel, or welcome if it's your first time. I was a maritime trainer and assessor for over 20 years. I'm currently retired, so I make short videos to assist people in learning and understanding maritime rules and regulations and obtaining marine qualifications. This is largely funded by our Marine Radio Licence program. So if you do need to obtain a marine radio license, please go to our website at truenorthmarine.com.au. So that would really help in keeping the program going and helping to make more videos. And so in this video, it's going to show a sort of a foggy screen, and we're going to run through some sound signals. It will just give you the sound. Your job is to identify the sound. So I have a piece of paper ready with a pen and write down your answers. And at the end of the short video, you'll get the answers on the screen. So it's as simple as that, but it's a good learning activity, also good for revision as well. And it might be one of those videos where you need to watch a couple of times. But that's how it's going to work today. Let's get started. So there you have it, restricted sound signals, which you really need to know. If you're unsure on any of those, go back and review the video again. And a little bit of definition came up in that video. You should understand what the definition of restricted visibility is, what underway means, and what making way means. Okay, thanks for your time. Catch you in the next video.